Hello again, it's Sandra Hart at Life Over 60. Thank you so much for joining me today and welcome. I just celebrated a birthday not too long ago. So today I am going to do an over-the-top old glamour girl look. Why is it the older you get, the faster the time goes? A life is defined by things you have done in the past and things you're hoping to do in the future. Well, what about now? If you don't stop and look around, you might just miss it. Okay, now I am going to put on Chanel foundation. I don't need a primer. I've never worn a primer. So I'm going to put, this is a little light. I'm going to get a better shade. Okay. Here we go. This is maybe a little. All right. Putting on my foundation. Maybe just a little bit darker than I usually wear. This is going to be my over-the-top, glamorous makeup look. Remember when we were younger how much fun it was to go out on a date or to go out in the evening to a party. It was so much fun. And now I'm going to put on my concealer under my eye. I'm kind of doing this using my camera as my mirror. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I may have to resort to looking at my mirror from time to time. Okay, and I'm going to put just a little light streak down the middle of my nose with my finger. I could use a brush, I guess, but I'm just going to use my finger. Okay, and maybe highlight a little bit here and a little bit there with my marionette lines. Okay. You know, I'm so excited. We're going on another cruise in February. My son is doing with Sugar Ray, Mark McGrath, and Kevin Griffin of Vertical Horizon, and of course he is of Tonic, and they're going to be doing a rock cruise, and we're going to go to the islands, and my daughter-in-law and all of her family is going to be there, so it's going to be a big family affair in February, and I just can't wait. It's going to be a lot of fun, I think. All right, I did that. Now let's do my cheeks. Kind of suck them in a little bit. Maybe bring it around here. Bring it around here. Okay. Here we go. All right, I have to get my mirror. Excuse me. I'll get my mirror just in case. Okay. All right, that's good. And then maybe I will do a little bit of the darker right here, down here like this, down here like this to take away that little jowl that I see creeping up on me there. Okay. All right, I don't wear that many layers, but this is actually more than I ever wear. Okay, now I guess I can do my eyes, and this is going to be a real challenge for me because I am going to wear Rachael Zoe's LORAC Hollywood Glamour Mini Palette, and look, whoops, look, it has all of these sparkly shades in it, and I never wear sparkles, so let's see what I can do with the sparkles today. Okay, I think I'm going to put this color, maybe this color in my crease. I'm going to go really dramatic, so I'll put this one, I can't see it too well, but anyway, I'm going to use that color in my crease. I'm really not good at doing this. I feel like a little girl, you know, playing with their mother's makeup. So I'm going to do this. And then I'm going to get another brush. And no, I don't want that. I don't want to smudge it yet. Here, this is the one I want. Okay, now this is going to be, I'm going to put the, let's put the sparkling gold on. I don't know how pigmented this is, so. Oh, very pretty. Oh. Glam for sure. Okay, let's get over the top a little more. Okay, because I'm going to be over the top today. All right, now let me see what I'm going to do. I will have to put a little, let me see, I have to put a little eyeliner on it. I'm just using what I have here in my trusty little bag. Let me see, where is it? Oh, here it is, okay. Talking about flying by the seat of your pants. I just decided that this would be kind of a fun thing to do today because I'm always so serious. So I thought I should start off 2020 and the new decade in my age to do something really fun. Okay. Sorry, that mirror's getting in your way. Line it a little bit. Now I'm going to have to go off camera to do my eyelashes because, just because, you know, it's easier for me to go off camera and do it. Okay, I'm going to use my True Mineral Match blush on my cheeks, if I can get the thing off. Okay. All right, now, oh, I have to have my Avon True Color Dazzle Drops that I'm just going to put a little bit on each of my apples, apple cheeks. There we go. Okay. Now I have to put on my lips, and I'm using my Linda Rodin lip liner, just in a neutral shade. I know Linda, you know, I've told you before that she and my husband met one another at the dog park in New York, and I've become friends with her. She's such a lovely, lovely woman. she's more focused now on doing dog things. She's not too much in the makeup industry anymore, even though she still has some of her products, but she's more interested in doing dog. She has a line for Winks, her dog. So she loves that dog so much. So don't we all love our pets? Alrighty, now let me see. I'm going to put on my new lipstick that I got on the cruise. It's called Palpitane, P-A-L-P-I-T-A-N-E, Palpitane. And I'm going to put that on my lips. And you know, I don't go across like this like everybody else does. Somehow I just do half and half. I don't know how I learned that, but that's what I do. Okay. Half. And I'm not going to shy away from the red lips today. There we go. It's my Chanel Palpitane. And I love it because it has the little spring that pops up like that. And now on top of that, I'm going to put the Rodin lip gloss just a little bit with my trusty lip brush that I've had maybe for 50 years. It's true, I really have. Honestly, I kid you not. Okay. I'm using my phone as my mirror again. Okay. All right. That's about as glam as I can get, I think. Now, I'll be right back for the finished product. Hello, thank you so much for coming along with me today to do my old girl glam makeup for 2020 and for my birthday decade. So I hope you enjoyed this. I've had a lot of fun. I'm not a professional makeup artist, but I did have a great time spending it with you today doing my old girl glamorous makeup. So you're never too young or never too old to have a little bit of fun with makeup. Do something really wonderful for yourself today. Be kind to whomever crosses your path. And of course, don't forget to share the love. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope to see you in my next video. Take care and have a wonderful, wonderful week.